Welcome to the final review of ECMA06. Under this review, I will cover 5 topics, and for each topic there will be 2 steps, and the first one is the topic summary, and the second is the past final exam questions. Let's cover the topic number 1, which is the unemployment rate. I consider this topic as the easy one, because on your final exam you'll be seeing around 1 to 2 questions only, and the calculations are pretty straightforward. Now let's get down to it. For the topic summary, there are actually these elements. So the largest group is the adult population, which is the addition of the unemployed workers, the employed workers, and the people who are not in the labor force. And for the labor force, it's actually the combination of the unemployed workers and the employed workers. For the calculation part, there are actually only 3 ratios for the calculation. The first one is the unemployment rate, which is using the unemployed worker numbers divided by the labor force numbers, which is here, maybe more visual to you, using the unemployed worker number divided by the labor force. For the calculation of the employed rate, we're using the employed numbers divided by the adult population, which is written here, the employed numbers divided by the adult population. Here is the part you need to pay attention to because the denominator changed from labor force to adult population. This number is usually pretty much 100% greater than this one because the adult population contains the people who are not in the labor force. And the third one, which is something you may not be tested, but it's something you need to keep in mind. It's actually the calculation of labor force participation rate. Now we're using the labor force number divided by adults population. So it's actually this amount in the total amount of here.